Imagine stepping onto a world so different from our own, where every day is an adventure into the unknown, where the plants are shades we've never seen, and life could be like if we colonized an alien planet. Buckle up, because things are about to get out of this world. One of the most fundamental differences we'd encounter on another planet is gravity. On a world with weaker gravity, imagine the possibilities. We could leap tall buildings in a single bound, carry weights many times our own size. But on a planet with stronger gravity, even a simple step would require immense effort. Our muscles would work harder, our bones denser. Gravity shapes landscapes, dictates water flow, even the air we breathe. High-gravity worlds have squat mountains, powerful waterfalls. Look up at our sky. That familiar blue is a constant, a comfort. But on other worlds, the sky could be a canvas of unimaginable hues. Some planets have atmospheres rich in exotic gases, methane, sodium, even potassium. Imagine a sky that shimmers neon pink during the day, or glows a deep, ethereal purple at twilight. These alien atmospheres wouldn't just be beautiful, they'd shape the very nature of life on these planets. Here on Earth, we take for granted the familiar cycle of day and night, our circadian rhythms dictated by a 24-hour rotation. But what if a day lasted a week, or even a month? We'd experience days and nights that stretch on for what would seem like an eternity. Imagine the challenges of adapting to such extreme conditions. And then there are tidally locked planets, worlds that always show the same face to their star. Agriculture, the backbone of civilization, would be profoundly different on another planet. Alien soil, strange sunlight, and unfamiliar gravity would all pose unique challenges to growing food. We might need to engineer crops specifically adapted to these new environments, perhaps utilizing hydroponics or other advanced techniques. Imagine fields of deep indigo corn, or trees bearing fruit that shimmer with a metallic sheen. Ever wonder what you'd sound like on another planet? The answer is, it depends. The way our voices sound is determined by the way sound waves travel through the air, and that's directly influenced by atmospheric composition and density. On a planet with a thicker atmosphere, our voices might sound deeper, more resonant. Conversely, a thinner atmosphere could result in higher-pitched, weaker voices. Imagine having to shout to be heard. Forget haute couture, we're talking space couture. Colonizing an alien planet requires functional and fashionable clothing. Suits must protect from extreme temperatures, shield from harmful radiation, and help us breathe in toxic atmospheres. But who says practicality can't be stylish? Imagine sleek suits with built-in technology inspired by the planet we're inhabiting. The oceans of Earth are teeming with bioluminescent creatures, but on some alien planets, entire oceans could shimmer and glow with life. Imagine waves that crash in luminous, neon-colored surf. This alien bioluminescence would be a testament to the incredible diversity of life. These creatures might use their bioluminescence to communicate, hunt, or defend themselves. We often take for granted the simple things in life, pouring a glass of water, throwing a ball, even cooking a meal. But on another planet, these everyday activities could become incredibly challenging, or even downright bizarre. Imagine trying to cook an egg on a planet where water boils at room temperature, or playing basketball on a low-gravity world where the slightest jump sends you soaring through the air. Even the act of walking could feel surreal. Sunsets are beautiful on Earth, but on a planet orbiting a binary star system, they would be spectacular. Imagine two suns sinking below the horizon, casting long, interwoven shadows. The sky would erupt in a kaleidoscope of colors, each sunset a unique work of art. Look up at the night sky. Every star you see is a sun, perhaps orbited by its own system of planets. But on some alien worlds, neighboring planets might be so close that they appear as disks in the sky, not twinkling points of light. Imagine looking up and seeing another world hanging large in the sky, its continents and oceans visible to the naked eye. It would be a constant reminder that we're not alone in the universe. Wouldn't it be exciting to experience life on a world so different from our own? To walk under alien suns, swim in bioluminescent seas, and witness sunsets that defy imagination? The universe is full of planets, each with its own unique story to tell. Who knows what wonders await us out there in the vast cosmic ocean? Perhaps one day, we'll venture out among the stars and discover the answers for ourselves. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey.